Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best laser welder for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. ProMotion Smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best laser welder for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Triumph Fiber Laser Welding and Rust Cleaning Machine is a versatile and compact tool designed to revolutionize metalworking tasks, especially for professionals who need mobility and power in one device. Measuring just 35 by 27 by 17 inches, this machine is remarkably portable and easy to operate in tight or mobile work environments. One of its standout features is the lightweight, ergonomic welding gun designed for all-day comfort and flexibility. Whether you're welding a cabinet corner or an industrial panel, this machine offers precise control without user fatigue. The auto wire feeder and smart control panel further enhance usability, allowing for seamless operation even in demanding scenarios. What sets the Triumph model apart is its 4-in-1 multifunction capability, which can weld, remove rust, clean weld seams, and even cut metal. This eliminates the need for multiple tools, saving both time and workspace. It supports a wide range of welding styles, including butt, lap, T, plug, nail, and overlap welds. The compatibility across materials is impressive. It works efficiently on steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, brass, silver, and gold, making it ideal for industries like kitchen fabrication, stair lifts, shelving units, ovens, and stainless steel doors. The machine comes in 3 power variants, 1000W, 1500W, and 2000W, each with its own maximum welding thickness capacity. For example, the 2000W version can handle up to 5 mm thick stainless steel or brass and 4 mm aluminum, delivering excellent penetration and bonding strength. With no consumables, free maintenance, and an estimated laser source lifespan of 100,000 hours, it's a long-term investment for any workshop or manufacturing unit. A generous 2-year warranty ensures peace of mind. Additionally, Triumph provides excellent after-sales support, complete with tutorials, user manuals, and videos to help even beginners get up to speed quickly. Whether you're an experienced fabricator or just entering the metalworking field, this machine is user-friendly and engineered for performance. Triumph Fiber Laser Welding and Cleaning Machine offers a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for precision welding and surface preparation, all in one compact and durable unit. Thanks for watching the video.